23 degrees. And then tomorrow we're looking at a high of 26. Look at those lows dropping down to the teens. On Saturday you warm back up. But your average low should actually be 32. So you're going to be almost 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year. Friday morning, this is going to be really kind of.
I hope that Lauren gets home safely.
Syracuse -1 in Burlington. That's Friday morning. Then you work into the weekend. It's Saturday. At least you don't have to get out of bed, hopefully, and go to work early in the morning. Next you lose Detroit. And then on Sunday, you start to see really those temperatures really moderating, going into the 30s as well as into the 40s. Now, we look ahead for tomorrow afternoon. These are your highs that we're expecting. 16 in Detroit, 19 in Cincinnati, and 26 degrees after starting off just brutally cold. So you warm up, but then Friday, we look for Friday, and we've got a lot of the teens and the 20s. So don't expect to get a lot of warming as we go through the next couple days, because you can look ahead for later this weekend. For Albany, if you're going to be outside for just 30 minutes, you can be looking at frostbite developing. And talking about wind chill up to my nickel at midnight. Chris, the Midwest, Mike Morrison.
Yeah, it's big bad. It's going to get even worse than it is right now. Chicago, it's 18 degrees. You factor in the wind, that same wind that's blowing around these flags here over Michigan Avenue, and it feels like it is 3. Just take a look at everybody walking across the bridge here over the Chicago River, bundled up with big hats with the fur around the rim, and there's that one guy right there in his suit. He could use another jacket. I'd imagine right now with that wind making it feel like 3 right now. Here's the forecast for you in Chicago, and you see a bit of a dip right here, and then it's going up in temperatures and then back down. So this is shot number 1, and that is cold shot number 2. So a couple rounds of extremely cold weather Sunday.